Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Deliveroo. First, tap the app and go to the top right corner where you'll see the little person icon. This opens your account menu. Tap Account Details to see your personal information. Find the phone number section and tap the green edit button on the right-hand side. Enter your new phone number. Make sure it's a number you have access to right now. Tap Send Verification Code. You'll receive a text message. Just type in or paste the code to verify your new number. Tick your address details so riders can reach you. Then tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it. That's how to change your phone number on Deliveroo. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.